My daily routine. My name is Emily. I am 35 years old. I am a housewife. I have 3 children. Their names are Anna. Jack and Lily, my husband, is a teacher's name. Is Tom. We have a happy family. I wake up every day at 6 a.m. My alarm clock rings, and I open my eyes. I feel sleepy but excited for the day. I get out of bed and stretch. I go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. I look in the mirror and comb my hair. Then I feel ready for the day. After getting ready, I go to the kitchen. I feel hungry. I make breakfast for my family. I usually cook eggs and toast. I crack the eggs in a pan and cook them. I put the bread in the toaster. I also make a pot of coffee for Tom at 6:30 a.m. My children wake up. I call them to come for breakfast. Anna is 10 years old. Jack is 8 and Lily is 5. They come to the kitchen. We sit together at the table. We eat breakfast and talk about our day after breakfast. I wash the dishes. I use soap and hot water. I dry my hands with a towel. The kitchen is clean now. I check the time. I have to get the children ready for school at 7:15 a.m. I help my children get dressed. Anna chooses her favorite blue dress. Jack wears his red t-shirt, and Lily puts on her pink dress. They look nice. I help Lily tie her shoes at 7:45 a.m. We leave the house. Tom takes Anna and Jack to school. I take Lily to preschool. We walk together. Lily holds my hand. We talk about what we will do today. After dropping off Lily at preschool, I go back home. It is quiet in the house. I have some time to clean. I start by dusting the living room. I clean the windows and vacuum the floor. The house looks nice and tidy at 10 a.m. I go grocery shopping. I make a list of what we need. I buy fruits, vegetables, and bread. I also buy milk and snacks for the children. Shopping takes about an hour. I enjoy choosing fresh food for my family. I come home at 11 a.m. I put the groceries away. I check my list again to see if I forgot anything. After that, I have a little time to relax. I sit on the sofa and read a book. At 12 p.m., I start making lunch. I cook pasta with tomato sauce. I add some vegetables for extra flavor. I set the table for lunch at 12:30 p.m. My children come home from school. They are hungry. We sit at the table and eat together. We talk about their day at school. Anna tells me about her art class. Jack talks about math, and Lily shares her favorite game at preschool after lunch. I clean the dishes again. I wash the plates and cups. I dry them and put them away. I feel good when the kitchen is clean at 2 p.m. It is time for Lily's nap. I read her a story, and she falls asleep quickly while she sleeps. I have some quiet time. I check my email and reply to messages. At 3:30 p.m., I wake Lily up. We play together in the living room. We build blocks and color pictures. It is fun to spend time with her. At 4:30 p.m., Tom comes home from school. He greets us with a big smile. We sit together and have a snack. We enjoy cookies and milk after the snack. I help Anna and Jack with their homework. I sit with them and explain the questions. They work hard, and I am proud of them. At 6 p.m., I start making dinner. I cook chicken with rice and vegetables. The kitchen smells delicious. I set the table for dinner at 6:30 p.m. We all sit down to eat. We talk about our day again. Everyone shares something special that happened. I love hearing their stories after dinner. We clean the table together. We wash the dishes as a family. It is nice to work together at 8 p.m. It is time for the children to get ready for bed. I help them brush their teeth. Then I read a bedtime story to Lily. She loves fairy tales. Anna and Jack read their own books in their rooms. At 9 p.m., I check on the children. They are all in bed. I kiss them good night after that. I spend some time with Tom. We watch a show together or talk about our day. At 10:30 p.m., I go to bed. I feel tired, but happy. This is my daily routine. I love being a housewife and taking care of my family. Every day is busy, but it is also full of love. TS, 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 TS.